Hi everyone, today I will show you how to view Steam activation key if it's not showing. Hi everyone, today I will show you how to Hi everyone, today I will show you how to see Steam activation keys if it's not showing. So let's get right into it. First, open your Steam application and go to your library by clicking the library button. Here, look for the game of which you want to see the CD key. Then right click. Then go to manage. And here you should see your CD key. If it's not showing, that means the developer doesn't support CD keys or they have sent you via email. Some games nowadays doesn't offer that. So it's not rare to see CD keys not being here. You can also contact the Steam support if you are unable to find the CD key for the game. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and I hope this guide was helpful.